Hello everybody, my name is Dayu and now I will explain you about the protozoa in my presentation. Okay, and now is a vocabulary. The first creature is makhluk, classification, klasifikasi, propel, mendorong, tail, buntut, float, pelampung, row, mengayuh, crust, lapisan kulit, addition, penambahan, decompose, membusuk, regulate, mengatur, necessary, kebutuhan, enabling, memungkinkan, considered, mempertimbangkan. Well friends, do you know what is protozoa? The protozoa is minute aquatic creature, each of which consists of a single cell of protoplasm, constitute a classification of the most primitive forms of animal life. The very name protozoa indicates the scientific understanding of the animals. Proto means first or primitive, and zoa refers to animals. They are fantastically diverse, but three major groups may be identified on the zoa refers to animals. They are fantastically diverse, but three major groups may be identified on the basis of their motility. Domesticopora have one or more long tail that they use to propel themselves forward. The Ciliata, which use the same basic means for locomotion as the Mastigopora, have a large number of short tails. The Sarcodina, which include amoeba, float, and row themselves about on their crust bodies. And here, I will explain you why protozoa are not plants. Protozoa are not considered plants but animals, because unlike pigmented plants to which some protozoa are otherwise almost identical, they don't live on a simple organic compounds, enabling them to make some of their own food from water and carbon dioxide. Their cell demonstrates all of the major characteristics of the cell of higher animals, such as eating, breathing, and reproducing. Okay, the next is species of protozoa. Many species of protozoans collect into colonies, physically connected to one another or responding uniformly to outside stimuli. Current research into this phenomenon, along with investigation carried out with advanced microprocess, may necessitate a redefinition of what constitutes protozoan. Even calling into question the basic premise that they have only one cell. Nevertheless, with the current data available, almost 400 species of protozoan have been identified. No doubt, as technology improves, methods of observation, better models of classification of the simple single cells will be proposed. Okay, the last is conclusion. We know that proto means first of primitive and zoa refers to animals. They are fantastically diverse, but three major groups may be identified on the basis of their motility. And several other features discriminate among the three groups of protozoa. For example, at least 2 nuclei per cell have been identified in the Ciliata. Usually a large nucleus that regulates growth but decomposes during reproduction, and a smaller one that contains the genetic code necessary to generate the large nucleus. And we can know that protozoa are not considered plants but animals, because unlike pigmented plants to which some protozoa are otherwise almost identical, they don't live on a simple organic compounds. And nevertheless, with the current data available, almost 400 species of protozoa have been identified. Well, friends, it's the end of my presentation. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.